close you got chalk on your cleats. Check your email. You're looking for Faraz Iqbal Khan. He's a JV gunrunner who wants to make varsity. He has his hands on everything from knockoff AKs and Russian optical devices to cell phones and black market kebabs.
Why him?
Oddjob's been watching Faraz, and it seems he's been busier than usual. Now we're seeing more modern equipment and the PETN. Remember, you're on your own here, and Oddjob is not on the best of terms with the ISI. So let me be clear, don't get caught. So get settled and hook up with Oddjob. Faraz is the target. Find him. I'll be in touch.
Guy, just spotted with the ISI. Let's roll him up fast and get him back to the safe house. What do you say? Sounds good to me. He's headed right for you, Mother.
I see him. Oddjob, I'm ready with the car.
Shit. Do it fast. Check.
Shit! He's running! Through the gate! He's trapped! Cuff him! We got him, Dusty. Oddjob, get the van! English, asshole! We know you speak it. Okay! What do you want? PETN. Where do you get it? What? Preacher? Now do you hear me? PETN. Where do you get it? It comes from Dubai. Some bank name. Give it to us. Hassan. His name is Hassan.
Guys, you're attracting a lot of attention. Get Faraz out of there.
Wow, that narrows it down. An Arab businessman in Dubai named Hassan. Get him on his feet. He's coming with us. Shit, he's gone. Come on.
Fuck! Dusty, we're taking fire! They shot Faraz! Get us out of here!
Okay, Mother. There's a building just west of your position. You've got to haul ass. There's a mess of people moving to your location. Fast.
Where the hell is Oddjob?
He's on the way, Mother. But it's not going to matter unless you get out of there. Follow that ditch. Don't stop.